Shrek's flatulence. It's something that kids may think is just hilarious when they see it on the big screen. But imagine if you could smell it, too. That's right. The movie industry, along with a lot of other big businesses, are trying to use the sense of smell to generate more sales. Evelyn Nussenbaum is the senior editor of Business 2.0. And Evelyn, this is something the retailers have been doing for years. But now, what is this? You have a lot of other companies who are trying to get on it?
Yeah, you have hotels. It is mainly retailers and hotels and casinos. Gas stations as well, though.
And what are gas stations doing? I mean, when you drive up to a gas station, you smell gas.
Not at 100 gas stations in Central California, where when you drive up, there are tiny fans pumping out the smell of coffee and donuts, which the owner says is pumping up sales of coffee and donuts in the convenience store inside.
Wow. Did they say how much it's been helping?
No.
They didn't say how much.
I think.
You know, this is something we've talked about for a long time, though, the idea that the sense of sight is important, but also the sense of smell. How do some of these things work when you're trying to be a company who's looking to bring somebody in?
Well, the basic idea is that all of our senses are bombarded today. You turn on the TV, you turn on the radio, you see a billboard, and the one thing we can't shut off is our sense of smell. So the perfect spot that you're trying to hit is that you get someone's attention with a sense of smell, but you don't overwhelm them.
Mm-hmm. You know, in fact, we tested out one of these products. It's called Scent Andrea, and this is something that shoots out scents during movies. The one we tried it out on was Shrek 2. We had a lot of kids who were in for Take Your Kids to Work Day. Here's what those kids had to say. Why don't you listen in?
The smell was so realistic.
It smells kind of weird. I think it was really cool.
I've heard stuff with 3D picture, 3D sounds, but I've never heard anything with a 3D smell, so I really thought this was amazing.
Evelyn, the idea of movies doing this, is this something that a lot of different movies can try, or is it something that's really with that genre of kids especially?
I would think it would be just for the kids and also for the home, because I think if you do it in a movie theater where you have people trapped, people are going to scream.
Ah, interesting idea. Yeah, we've been playing with it ourselves this morning, and comes out in a little fan and just kind of blows a whiff out. Sometimes they're saying about doing this with trying to get the campfire scene to be showing there, or if there's a gun that's been shot out. How much do you think does this really boost sales? If it's working, do you think is this something that gives you 1, 2, 5%? What's your best guess?
I think it's really hard to tell. I mean, I think it depends on the place and on the scent. There was one study done in Washington State where pumping in the smell of vanilla into the women's department store, into the women's section of a department store, resulted in double-digit gains.
Wow.
On the other hand, there was an example in San Francisco last year in an enclosed space in bus shelters where the California Milk Board pumped in the smell of milk and cookies, and people screamed bloody murder. They had to take it down in 2 weeks.
Okay, Evelyn, thank you very much for joining us this morning. We appreciate your time.